Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add friends in Wuthering Waves game. Adding friends in Wuthering Waves is super quick and easy. First of all, go ahead and launch open your Wuthering Waves game on your device. And once you're inside the main home page in the game section, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll see this terminal tab where you need to click on the Friends tab. Inside Friends, tap on Add Friend at the bottom right. And you can search for your friend with their user ID to add them as your friend. Go ahead and type in their user ID in the search bar at the top. Once you type in their user ID in the search bar, their name will appear in the search result. Go ahead and tap on Add Friend right next to their name. After they accept your friend request, you'll be able to be friends in the game. You can also go ahead and get to their recent co-ops tab. And if you have played any recent co-ops, you can also search for friends from that tab. So that is how you add friends in Wuthering Waves. All you need is their correct user ID and you can easily add them as your friend. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.